Click on this arrow button. Suppose I select color for this chart, this color. After that, I make 3 more copies of this chart. Right click, click on copy, then press Ctrl plus V, again press Ctrl plus V, again press Ctrl plus V. After that, select this chart. First select these slices. Then I select color for this slice. This color, or I can select this color. Then select this chart. Click on slices. Suppose I select color for this chart, this color. Then select this chart. Click on slices. Then I select yellow color. After that, I add original data in all these 4 charts to show sales percentage for these salesperson. Select this chart, right click, click on select data. Click on add series. In series name, select this cell reference. In series values box, select these 2 cell reference. Click OK. Again click OK. I see here there are 2 donut charts. To overlap these 2 donut charts on each other, click Format tab or Chart Design. Click on Change Chart Type. Then select Combo. Select Series 1. Select Donut Chart and select this series. Select Donut Chart. I select this series as a secondary axis. Click OK. After that, I format second donut. Click on Slice. Select this slice. Then select Solid Fill. Suppose I select this color. Actually, I want to show slices of first donut chart. So I need to select No Fill. Then select this slice. I select color for this slice white. Then I increase the transparency up to 45. Then I increase the all size. Select these 2 slices. Then click on Series option. Increase the percentage value up to 60. Then select second donut. Increase the percentage value up to 60. So this chart is ready. Next, I repeat the same steps for these 3 charts. Select this chart, right click, click on Select Data, then click on Add Series. In Series Name box, select this name. After that, in Series Values box, select these 2 cell references. Click OK. Then click on Chart Design. Click on Change Chart Type. Then click on Combo. Select Donut Chart. For this series, also select Donut Chart. Select the secondary axis, this salesperson. Click OK. After that, select this series. Click on no fill. Then select this series. Select white color and increase the transparency for the second slice up to 45%. Then select second donut chart. Click on series options. To increase all size, I need to increase these percentage values. Then select first donut chart. Increase the donut all size. So this chart is also ready. Then select this chart. Click on select data. Click on add series. In series name box, select this name. In series values box, select these two values. Then click OK. After that, change the chart type. Select donut chart. Again select donut chart and make this series as a secondary axis. Click OK. Then select this series. Select no fill. Then select second slice. Change the color of second slice white color. Increase the transparency for white color up to 45%. Then I select this chart. Right click. Click on select data. Then click on add series. In series name box, select this name. In series values box, select these two values and click OK. After that, change the chart type. Select donut chart. Again select donut chart. Make this series as a secondary axis. Click OK. Then select this slice. Select no fill. After that, select this slice. Check solid fill and select white color. Increase the transparency for white color up to 45%. Then select this series. Click on series option. I increase the donut all size. Then select first donut. I also change the color of first donut because this color is not clearly visible. So I select this color. Then select series option. Increase the donut all size. So this chart is also ready.